Hi, Talofa. My name is Tauliani, and I'm here at my gardening. This week is Mental Health Awareness Week, and the theme is Reconnect. Reconnect, what means to me is to reconnect with the whenua, doing gardening. So myself, I already prepared my land, backyard for this occasion, especially for me to reconnect to the nature. So here we're going to walk around how I prepare my backyard. So I already fallen the trees. Here are the branches of big trees that have been cut it down. So it's been here for more than a week to cure. So all around here, all these backyard branches that I have fallen it, it's going to the chipper. This coming Saturday, I'm going to put all these branches through the chipper to make it to pieces. And yeah, what's the beginning of my project for this summer? So this Mental Health Week reminds me of reconnect to nature. So through reconnect to nature, it's also a therapy, growing up something, therapy for me to plant something. So I reconnect to the whenua for planting something to the ground. I think that's what's Mental Health Week theme for me, to reconnect to the gardening. So here I am, and looking forward for the next 2 to 3 months. I'll reap off the harvest for my gardening. That's me to reconnect with nature, preparing my project for summer. Taku project dia fai au o fai na ku whatonga i te konga mai tua te whale. Manuia te aso, mea katoura ko lai whai tātou i te wēste nei, mo aso ki mua ke manuia tātou tino tūwaru. Pēnā whoki mo tino ngā lua te whono, ka whitailas.